So I'm going to share with you now how to leave a comment on our 210th Street reconstruction project comment map. So from our main project page, 210thstreet.com, you can go to the comment map item at the top. And if you click on that, it'll bring you to our comment map. Now, when you first come in, there'll be a how to leave a comment information box with some information about the different icons within the map. If this happens to go away, you can always bring it back by hitting this I button for information. Also, if you happen to get zoomed somewhere away from the project, you can go ahead and hit this home button and it'll bring you right back to our project location, which our corridor is highlighted in blue here, so you can kind of see it. So how to leave a comment, the first thing you'll do is, and it's shown down here in this text as well, but if you hit this notepad button right here, add a comment, click on it. The first thing it'll ask you is select what type of commenter you are. And you can pick whatever you feel is most applicable. If you don't find a category that suits it well, you can always select other. I'm going to go ahead and select business. And when you drag your mouse over to the map, you'll see that you can click to add your comment at any point on the map. Now, if you have a specific location you want to leave the comment, go ahead and click on that location. For example, if you had business at this point along the project, say just east of Dodd, maybe you would click right here. If you have a more general comment that doesn't need a specific location, you can really click anywhere on the map. We will receive the comments either way. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just pick kind of a generic location. I'll just say right here, click. And from there, you just leave your comment. And I'm going to call this test comment. And when you're done, you can go ahead and close it. Now, after you leave your comment, your icon will appear in the spot you left your comment, and it'll be there for others to see. There's no personal information left with these comments. They are anonymous, and please give us your feedback on whatever you feel is important for us to know. Thank you.